Today we will make a delicious fresh pasta recipe. For this recipe we used spaghetti colored with squid ink, olive oil, fresh parsley, garlic, white onion, cherry tomatoes, lime, pepperoncino, whole red peppers, ground black pepper, salt, black tiger prawns, squid and some white wine. First we start by cleaning the black tiger prawns. We will use just the tails in this recipe. We clean them from the shell. Don't throw away the shells and the heads because they can be used for an amazing seafood sauce. We use the tip of the knife to pull out the veins. And we rinse them with cold water. Our squids are clean, so we just slice them up as you see. If yours is not cleaned, then don't throw away the ink sac. Use it to color the pasta. The tentacles need to be cut in smaller chunks because they tend to be very chewy. When done, we rinse them with cold water. We proceed by peeling and dicing a white onion. For the exact amounts, look in the description below. We peel and dice a few cloves of garlic. We use the best quality cherry tomatoes we can find. We just slice them in half. We crush some red peppers. They give an amazing fruity flavor for our dish. And last, we finely chop some fresh parsley. In a hot pan, we add some olive oil, followed by the onions and the garlic. give it a mix and we add the squid and the prawns. We season them with some crushed red peppers, ground pepper, salt and pepperoncino. We let them boil for a few minutes and we add the white wine. We let the alcohol to evaporate and we add the cherry tomatoes. We give it a good mix. And we add a small amount of water. We let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes. We take our pan off the heat and in a bowl we bring to a boil our water for the pasta. You can cook the sauce and the pasta in the same time. When the water got to a boiling point, we season it with salt. We add the pasta and we cook it al dente. Usually the cooking time is on the packaging, roughly 6 to 8 minutes. It depends on the type of pasta you use. When cooked, we strain it and we serve it with this delicious sauce. If you enjoyed our video, then please subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you next time.